Hey everyone, Brendan here from Athena Intelligence. Today we're going to walk through voice mode for Jupyter Notebooks. Let's get started. All right, Athena, can you go to the drive? Great, search for Max Verstappen. Add all of those assets to our workbench. And then navigate to Notebooks. Great, let's create a new notebook, and you can also close the workbench. Close the workbench. All right, can you create a bunch of Python cleaning code for some of the assets that we have in our workbench? Don't run any of it. Great, can you execute that? Add some new lines. And then can you put together a bunch of additional Python cleaning steps that would be relevant? Can you include a few more underneath it about why you're picking some of these? Alrighty.